Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw BUSD from Coinbase and transfer it to Binance. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Binance. You'll need some BUSD in your Coinbase wallet to withdraw. Also, verify that your Binance account is ready to receive funds. Double-check your wallet address to prevent any mix-ups. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find the BUSD asset in your wallet section. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw button. It should be right there on the BUSD page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to select the withdrawal network. In 2025, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, is often the fastest and cheapest option for BUSD transfers, so choose that if available. Step 3. Enter your Binance wallet address. You can find this by logging into Binance, going to your wallet, and copying the BUSD deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase withdrawal form. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Start small if you're testing the waters. Step 4. Review the details. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees and the final amount you'll receive. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit back and wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to Binance and check your BUSD balance to confirm the deposit. A quick tip. Always be mindful of network fees, they can add up. And if you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to the exchange support or check Blockchain Explorers for updates. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn BUSD from Coinbase to Binance like a pro. If this helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.